If you try to sign in with Unity Hub and receive the message something went wrong, please sign in again. It is usually due to a connection issue between your machine and the Unity servers. Here are some steps you can take to resolve the issue. Turn off any VPN connections. Ensure your internet connection is stable. If you are a developer in a restricted country, this might limit your access and there may not be a workaround available. Clear Unity Hub cache, close Unity Hub completely. Navigate to C, users, your username, app data, roaming, and Unity Hub folder. Delete the cache folder, but it's better to delete all files in this directory. Keep in mind that this will remove all templates and samples, which will need to be regenerated when you restart Unity Hub. Now if you try to sign in again, it will work fine. You may need to locate the Unity editor and your license.